Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Now, I know it's been a while since I posted, guys. I am so sorry. Please forgive your girl. But I am back with Indaba zakamSeleku. So, Izingane zakamSeleku is back. Izingane zesithembu. Now that they are back, I made some few videos on TikTok. Please enjoy the comments that we made on TikTok and let me know what you think. Please do not forget to like and to share and to subscribe. Here are the TikTok videos.
Bazalwane, the Mseleku family is going to be the end of me. The Mseleku family is going to be the end of me. Get light. Get mufiti gatela. Get like man. Get Mseleku. Tell me, why does it look like what Vuyokazi went through is what Utirelo is going to go through? Tell me, why does it look like Lomfana Mpumelelo is going to did Utirelo? Ngathi umdidadidile, guys. Yo, guys, gitloba thamshimano. Gitloba thamshimano. Oh, because why Makoti girlfriend, Makoti to be, who's a girlfriend, is now sitting with Babezala discussing with indoda yam iyahlafuna. Yo, Jesu. Guys, I was like, no. And Futhi, they are playing with our minds. They are toying with us because it can never be Tirelo. Tirelo did say on national TV, or number 77, I'm a problem. As long as the boy is mine. As long as yena le motho wa gae ba utlwana Sibindi, it's fine. Hana problem. Hore ke number 17, ke number mtshela ya 7 number, hana problem. But now, ngathi am tita. I hope they are playing with us. I hope that's not the direction that they're taking. Because, wow. Usibindi, at this point, kitlo sharp. Kamao, kiton tala panta, ka dila lena, rameta because, we rang beno. Because of nernale hope ya okay fine. Uhlekile ke Vuyokazi. Ukuthi abekezele. Lo mrabisho. Utirelo siyofika nini ke isithembu? Sizofika nini isithembu sika Sibindi if uSibindi keeps on introducing new girls and wanting to lobola them without the lobolaring the ones abamzalele?